The next slide we wanted to touch upon is safety. Safety is our license to operate. The Nexus project facilities will be designed, constructed, operated, and maintained under the standards of the U.S. Department of Transportation and Construction. During the design phase, as I mentioned with the routing, optimized routing, we look at following existing utility corridors wherever possible, and it's through the public information, the public process, that we're able to further redefine, define that route by listening to concerns from landowners, officials, as well as the agencies that are involved. And ultimately, FERC will make the decision on the final route for the project. Also built into that design, the pipe will be made of high-strength alloyed steel. The pipeline will have a minimum 1/2 inch diameter thickness, wall thickness around the pipeline, which will meet or exceed US DOT standards.
Is that pipe made in the United States?
Well,
It hasn't been sourced yet. It
Okay.
will just be a matter of schedule and time.
Is there manufacturers in the United States?
There are some that we purchase from, yes.
Okay, because I get that question of where the pipe's coming from.
That's always the preference. Sometimes they're not available. They're booked out sometimes years in advance, so it'll just come down to availability and timing.
I think once we get further into the review process, we'll have a better idea of what we're doing on that end. We'll certainly circle back with you. During the construction phase, the welds will be 100% X-rayed and are ultrasonically inspected, which is above the industry standard. The pipes and welds are sealed with a protective coating. We also install cathodic protection, which prevents corrosion along the pipeline. And the pipe can be shut down immediately using remote control valves if there was ever a need to do so. And once the pipeline is up and running and operating, it's monitored 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We have also liaison meetings with first responders. We have training. We have landowner outreach awareness for landowners along the pipeline route. We also do a direct assessment on the pipeline using integrity management tools and inline inspection tools to make sure of the integrity of the pipeline, and that's done on an ongoing basis once the pipeline is in service.
Have you done a 42-inch pipeline before? Is this unusually large? I mean, that's another thing I hear, that these 42 inches, I mean, is that normal?
It's a normal size. We just built a 42-inch pipeline in Jersey City and another city right next to Jersey.